Yo, my people, it's High Blues FS and it's your boy Steve Vinyl. And we are back again with another new hot strategy to trade boom and crash. And remember, in our YouTube channel, the spike is our friend. We are not afraid of the spike in boom and crash. The spike is our friend. So if this is your first time in our YouTube channel, if this is your first time watching our YouTube video, please hit on the subscription button below and give these videos a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. And one more thing, if you are new to our channel, or if this is your first time coming to our channel, probably a friend of you recommended it to you, or you saw the videos on your YouTube channel, or whatever means you actually came to our channel, we appreciate you, we welcome you, So please, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, guys, and also hit on the notification bell so that you get updated whenever there is any new video in our channel, so that you won't miss out on any update. You have to click on the notification bell. Before we continue with our new hot strategy to trade boom and crash today, uh I want to let I want to tell you guys I want to let you guys know that we now have our Twitter handler account and Instagram. So all our subscribers, if you are watching this video, please kindly check the description link and follow us on Instagram. Also follow us on Twitter. In our Instagram and Twitter account, we'll be dropping trade signals. We'll be dropping signals along with chart analysis of the potential moves for various markets. And right there in our Telegram channel, right there in our Twitter account, or right there in our Instagram account, we'll also be dropping forex signals. When I say forex, I mean currency pairs. We'll be dropping signals for currency pairs right there in our Instagram account, our Twitter account. So please guys, share the description link of this video and follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, and also join our Telegram channel if you have not done so. So guys, let's get started with our strategy. Now it's a simple strategy. I'm not here to confuse you with lots of indicators. We're just going to make use of two indicators. There won't be any indicators in our main chart. So what am I even saying? Why not get started? So guys, this is how to set up the strategy. Now you go to your indicator add-up. Now the first indicator to add is our awesome oscillator. Here it is, awesome oscillator. So you click on it. Now the line width should be 2 pz. The colors are okay like this. You click done. So we now have it. The next thing to add on our indicator window 1, we just had our moving average, and it is the 13 moving average. The period is 13 shift 0 and it's exponential apply to close. The color can be any color of your choice, but I just love the color red, so I'm taking red as my color. The pz can also be any pz of your choice. The pz doesn't really matter. What matter is the period. The pz does not really matter. It only makes the color more brighter or more thicker. The pz made the color to be more thicker, so it doesn't really matter. The pz doesn't matter. So you can use 3 pz, you can use 4 pz, you can even use 2 pz if that is what you want. So the period should be 13 and you click on OK. Yeah, we are good to go. You feel me? We are good to go. Now this is it. When making use of this strategy, remember in your mobile MT5, there are 5 zoom levels. There are 5 zoom levels. So you have to pinch your screen and reduce it to the third zoom level. We are working with the third zoom level and not the fifth. Please take note of the zoom level, third zoom level. I'm repeating myself because sometimes after uploading video or uploading a strategy, people usually comment in the comment box, comment section that, oh, what is the zoom level for this strategy? And that's why I'm saying you don't have to ask this time. It is third zoom level for your mobile MT5, third zoom level right now. Now, how does this strategy works? How does it work? When do we take our entry and when do we take our profit? Does it require technical analysis? It doesn't require top-down analysis. You don't have to check higher time frame to know what the market is doing. You just have to work with M1. Just have to work with M1 and you are good to go. Now, if you want to take our entry, first thing we need to watch out for, we have to watch out for this crossover. For the crossover, which means the downtrend, there must be a crossover. The green candle must be above the zero awesome oscillator level. It must be above the zero. By zero, this is what I mean. This zero here. This is what I'm saying, the zero here. So there must be a crossover here. This green awesome oscillator must crosses over the zero and move upward. So that's what I'm saying. That is the first condition. Whenever it happens like that, the next thing we watch out for our moving average. We watch out for the moving average to be above the awesome oscillator. Watch out for the moving average to form a curve. This curve to form a curve above the awesome oscillator, and the moving average should be above zero. So this is what I'm saying, guys. The first thing, this green must move from downward to upward is the first thing we have to watch for. Then secondly, our moving average must form a curve above the awesome oscillator, which is this curve. Whenever the market happens like this, then we enter a sell signal. Whenever the conditions are met, and we would have taken this trade here at this point, at this very point. Would have taken this trade at this very point. So whenever there is a curve above the awesome oscillator and the moving average, this moving average here, the red moving average, curves over the awesome oscillator and it's above the zero awesome oscillator line, then we go in for a sell. So if we have entered the market here, would have taken this trade here. Look at it, guys. Would have taken this trade here. When it changes to red, we've taken this trade here, and we'll take our profit once price, the moving average, come below the awesome oscillator. This is how the strategy works. It's very, very simple. So this is how to use it to trade boom. Now let's check previous market. Now, like the present market in B1000, we have to wait for this moving average now to come form a curve above the awesome oscillator for it to be a sell. The moving average now must form a curve above the awesome oscillator for it to be a sell signal. If it doesn't, we don't trade the market. If it doesn't form a curve and the moving average is not above the awesome oscillator, we will not take a sell entry. So that is it, guys. Now this is another opportunity for us to enter a sell signal in B1000. First, we see the crossover did happen. The awesome oscillator moved from the downtrend to the upside, moved from the downside to the upside here, and then our indicator moving average did form a curve above the awesome oscillator. Look at it, guys. It did form a curve above the awesome oscillator, and it is also above the zero awesome oscillator line. So this would have been a sell signal as well. So we would have taken our entry here, and would have been in the market in profit till price comes down, till price comes below the awesome oscillator and it came here. So would have taken our profit here when the price when the indicator, the moving average, was below the awesome oscillator. That would have been our exit point. So let me go for crash market. Okay, it seems this is going to be a good setup to trade using our strategy. Right now we can see our moving average approaching up. This is our moving, it's approaching the awesome oscillator, but it is not yet above it and it hasn't formed a curve. So we will just come back to check if the conditions will be met, and then we will take this trade. For now, let me check boom 500 and see if the conditions will be met so that we can take a trade. Now right now on boom 500, the condition is about to be met. Right now on boom 500, we see the crossover had actually happened. The awesome oscillator has moved from the downtrend to the uptrend. That is the first condition, and right now the moving average is about to form a curve above the awesome oscillator, which will signify a sell signal. So once the curve forms and the red awesome oscillator appears, then we take our sell. So for now, the setup is yet to be completed, so we'll also wait. So right now the condition has been made. We would have even taken our entry right from here, but we just enter now because it is not yet in our exit point. So we'll take our sell market now. So this is it. We are actually in a sell, and applying the risk management strategy we said earlier, we can use 0.10 to trade boom 500 even when the lowest lot size is 0.20. So what we do is we use 0. We can enter with 0.35 and sell. Then once we sell the market, we come back and close 0.25. We close 0.25. Then we close with profit. Then you see we have reduced the lot size to 0.10. This is for those people with small account. Now using our strategy condition, we're already in the market, so we go to boom 1000, which was about to set up that So it's a nice setup now, so we can take a sell signal because it's a nice setup. It has met our condition. The curve is actually forming and price has moved. The awesome oscillator has moved from the downside to the upside. So I think network is back. The network is back. So this is it. So based on our strategy, we are already in a sell. So let's go to crash market and see how we can use this strategy to trade crash. So let's start with the crash 1000. Crash 1000. Oh, we just missed a very good opportunity. Now if you want to use this strategy to trade crash, if we are buying the crash pair with this our strategy, we are buying crash, we are not selling crash. Now it's a very fine setup that we have actually missed. Now this is the condition. First, the awesome oscillator must move from a downside, from the upside to the downside. So you see how price, the awesome oscillator, move from the upside to the downside. First confirmation for a buy signal. So after the moving average curves over the awesome oscillator, then we wait for the awesome oscillator to change its color to green, which signifies the buy, and then we take our buy market and we exit the market once our moving average is above the awesome oscillator. So right now, if we had entered the market, we would have taken our entry. So imagine we take our entry here. So imagine how profitable would have been. Would have been in this market close to 30 minutes now, and right now would have exit the market right now, because based on our strategy condition, is telling us that the market is already overbought. So right now would have stayed out of the market. I hope you guys understand. It's a simple strategy. I'm giving this strategy for free. I want you guys to make money trading boom and crash. It's a good pair to make money from easily, and with our strategy you don't even have to have the basic knowledge of forex trading. I'm not saying to have the knowledge of forex trading is bad, but even if you do not have the knowledge, with our strategy, stick to our strategy criteria, stick to our strategy condition, and you will always end in profit. So you see guys, we just missed this opportunity. Very fine opportunity would have taken. I would have been smiling now. But don't forget, no opportunity, you don't regret over a missed opportunity, because opportunity will always present itself. It will always come. Now let's to stick to the strategy condition to always be in profit. For now, let's check crash 500 to see if there's any nice setup. Okay, we just experienced some jump in crash 500. We just experienced some jump. Oh, another nice setup we've also missed in crash 500. Look at it guys, it's a powerful strategy and it is working very well guys. First, the change in awesome oscillator did happen. The awesome oscillator did move from the upside to the downside, which is our first confirmation for a buy signal, and then the moving average forms a curve below the awesome oscillator. For it to be a buy signal in crash, the moving average must form a curve below the awesome oscillator for it to be a buy signal. We have our second confirmation, and once the awesome oscillator changes from red to green, we take our entry. So we would have taken our entry here and taking our exit right now, as the moving average is now above the awesome oscillator. So we would have taken our profit right now. So we would have really been in profit. So imagine taking our entry here and then our exit here. Our exit here would have been in this market for about 20 minutes or 30 minutes, so would have really been in profit. So this is how the strategy was, guys. It's a powerful strategy and it's working very well, as you can see. So please follow the strategy setup. Set up the strategy as shown in the screen direction. Stick to the strategy trading condition to buy crash and to sell. Don't be afraid of the spike, because it's our friend. The spike is our friend with our strategy. So this is how we're gonna end this video. So if you are new to this video, to our YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell for more updates. And if you like this video, if you like what we just shared with you guys, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share this video with your friends who are trading, share it with your friends who are beginners to both forex and synthetic index, both to boom and crash. Please share the videos to them, and don't forget to drop your comment in the comment box. Like we said earlier, please guys, follow us on Twitter account HighBluesFS, follow us on Instagram as HighBluesFS. The link to our Instagram account, the link to our Twitter account will be posted in the description box, so please kindly hit us up, follow us up for more trading signal and for more chart analysis. Now this is the result of the trade we took with our strategy. You can see for yourself that they are all in profit. You can see for yourself the trade are still in profit. The strategy works. We see how we took the signal. Once we saw the signal, the strategy criteria being met, we are in the market now and it's still selling. And this is for boom 500. And as for boom 1000, let's check, it's still doing pretty well. Sorry guys. So this is boom 1000. We also saw how the condition was meant. We saw how the awesome oscillator moved from the downside to the upside, the first condition, and how the moving average forms a curve above the awesome oscillator. And we did enter once the awesome oscillator moved from the green to the red, signifying a sell, and we're in the market right now, and we are still in profit. So imagine if this was my first trading for the day, I would have made $6 easily. Look at the lot size I'm using, the lowest lot size 0.2, 0.1, 0.3, 0.2, very small lot size, and they're already giving me good profit. So this is a powerful strategy. Drop your comment in the comment box, guys. Share your view of this strategy. If you use this as a strategy to take trade, share the screenshot of the trades in the comment box, in the comment section. We'll be glad to see you drop your trading screenshot of this strategy. Don't forget, we are HighBluesFS, and I'm still your boy Stevino. I'm signing out. At the end of this video, I'm gonna drop the screenshot of the trades when it gets to the exit point based on the strategy condition. I'm going to show you the profit also made. I will drop it as a picture at the end of this video. I remain your boy Stevino, and inside HighBluesFS. Hit the subscription buttons. If you are new to our YouTube channel, once again, you are welcome. We welcome you. Please, let's share this video and let's share this channel with our friend. Once again, it's HighBluesFS. It's your boy Stevino. I'm signing out. Peace. So this is the result for B1000, guys, of the trade we took. As you can see, it ended in profit, and this is the result of B500 we took, and also ended in profit according to our strategy condition. Love you guys. Stevino.